What up, y'all? It's Rex Makes Beats, and I'm back with another sneaker review. Today, I've got the Air Jordan 1 Pine Green 2.0. The leather quality could have been better. They used a stiffer, firmer, tumbled green leather, and for the black leather, they used a smoother, slightly less tumbled leather, which felt more synthetic than anything. The sneakers come with flat black laces and an extra pair of red laces as well. You've got a black mesh tongue with black leather tag and Nike Air in red. The insoles are black with Nike Air in red. They used the patch for the Air Jordan Wings logo, which is also blacked out. You've got your classic Air Jordan 1 outsole in pine green. Overall, it's a nice shoe in OG bread color blocking, but in pine green instead. The quality just could have been better.